Hello my dear students, welcome back again to my channel The Earth Society. So today we are going to start a new chapter from Civics, that is chapter number 6, Understanding Media. In this lesson today we are going to learn the introductory portion of this chapter. So let's start. So let us first understand what is media. Actually, media, it's a mode, or we can say a way which helps to make communication between two people. Student, you tell me first that what things come in your mind when you first hear the word media. So let's understand, media is the communication outlets, or it's a tools which used to store and deliver information. So through media we can get different information. There are different ways through which media sends us different information, as well as it also helps to make a communication system or a bonding between several people. What is media, or what does the word medium refer? Actually, media is the plural form of the word medium. That means medium is a singular form. So medium can be like newspaper, telephone, mobile phone in a singular way. But it's the word also describe various ways through which we communicate in the society. Suppose this is I and this is you. So medium, it is helping to make communication between you and me. Because just you think in simple way, today due to this situation, we cannot meet regularly face to face in school. But then also we are able to communicate with one another. Just like through this video we can communicate. I can teach you and you can learn. So this is also a medium through which you and me are getting connected. So just in the same way, the medium plays the role. So media is the plural form of medium. That means, suppose this is one person and here is the newspaper. So through the newspaper, the person is getting the news every day. So this is the medium through which the person is getting news. But this newspaper or this news agency, they are not sending the news only to you. They are also sending the news in several areas. That's why they are the plural form of medium that we call media. Alright. So media is the plural form of the word medium, and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in the society. Because media refers to all means of communication. Without media, we cannot communicate, because we need something, some basis through which two person will communicate. Or we can say the media, it creates the bridge between two person or several people, because without this bridge we cannot communicate. Just like without bridge, it's quite difficult for a person to cross the river by walking. So same way, media is playing the role of the bridge through which we are getting connected to one another. There are several types of media present, or several modes of media is present. Few of the examples are given here, more are there. So For you think that what are several media is present which are not given in the screen? So first here we can see the medium is the television. Then radio. So through television we can see different program, different news, sports, etc. So we are getting this information from television. Radio, this is not visual mode but the audio mode. Newspaper, magazine and books. Through this we can get the information in written form. Next, internet and advertisement. So these are different types of media. Except that or besides that, several other modes of media is present or several other gadgets are also present, like our mobile phone, laptop, tablet. So these are also different ways through which we can communicate, we can connect with one another. Now, you have seen the several examples or modes of media. Now, these modes of media or types of media we can divide in two parts. What are those? Number one, print media, and number two is the digital media. So, from this image, easily you can understand which one is the print media. These three are the print media because through this media we are getting the information in written form, in printed form. And rest we can say like radio, television, advertisement, internet, they are all parts of digital media. Though advertisement also we can include in print media because in newspaper, magazine we also get the advertisement. So advertisement can be considered in print media and digital media as well, but radio, television, internet, mobile phone, these we will include in digital media. And this print media and digital media both are in modern time a very important part of our life. Hope you also know the fact, student, isn't it? Now, students, let us understand media and its relation with you. Not only you, that means with us, with everybody. What's the role media is playing? Let's understand. Here, one example or one situation is given, and I think you can also relate this situation with your personal experience. So let's check. We live in an age where it has become difficult to distinguish between the real world and the virtual world. So real world means where we are living, the role which we are playing really in our real life. And the virtual world means this is our digital life. That means we are sending messages to our friends, we are calling them, video chat. These are our virtual media, virtual life. So, but today we are using this media in excessive rate that it is quite difficult for us to make a difference between our real life and our virtual life because both are now interconnected. One example or one situation is given here. Please follow this one. You might be having dinner with your family, but at the same time so engrossed in sending messages to your friends that you are not mentally present in the moment, even though you physically are. I hope you can also connect with this situation. So one day, suppose you are having dinner with your parents, but as well as you are so much busy with your mobile phone to send messages to your friends. So physically you are with your parents, but mentally not. Mentally, you are not connected with them. So in this way, you can understand that media have a great impact on our daily life. The media are continuously influencing our life. Even our sadness, happiness, our mood also depends on different expression of the media. Suppose one day, just before going to school, from the newspaper, you hear some bad news. Maybe somewhere it is fire, maybe somebody is very much ill, some important person, some news of any accidents. So this kind of news make us upset. So for that day, maybe in the school, whole day your mood is off. You cannot concentrate in the study because in the morning you hear some bad news through any mode of media. But in the opposite sense, if before going to school or before going to any work, if you hear some good news through media, suppose India won the World Cup, or the favorite actor, actress won any award. So this kind of news makes us happy. So media is playing the role in this concern. They even can control our behavior. That what way we will behave on that day, that is also controlled by these different modes of media. Now, why it is known as mass media? Most of the time, if you follow the media, we not only say media, rather we try to say the mass media. So what is the meaning of the word mass? Mass means a group, a huge number of people. That is called mass media. So through one mode of media, many people get connected. That means through only mode of media, many people together can enjoy the same news or same information. Many people together can communicate, can get connected with one another. That's why the term media most of the time refers as mass media. Like the newspaper which you get in the morning to your house, it is not only you who are getting the newspaper. Rather, the whole neighborhood of your area are getting the same newspaper, or different agencies of newspaper, but they are getting the same news. Even suppose the WhatsApp, Facebook, the virtual media of our life, through this many people or mass amount of people are connected with one another, where only one information easily within few seconds can spread with many number of people. That's why mass media refers to a diverse array of media technologies that reach a large audience via mass communication. So large number of audience or people are connected with the media. That's why we consider it as a mass media. What are the different modes? Like TV, radio, newspaper are a form of media that reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world. So not only within the country, suppose the World Cup game, you are not the person who is watching the game. Even or rather the whole world for that day is watching the same game. That's why a huge audience are connected with the one mode of media, that is TV or television or internet connection. And thus they are called the mass media. So there are several modes of mass media is present through which a huge audience are connected with one another. All right. Now, what are we going to learn in this chapter? This is the total introduction which I have explained. That is, what is media and how it has a great impact on our life, and why it is also known as mass media and different modes of media. This portion we have completed today as an introduction of the chapter. But in the next, what we are going to learn from this chapter? First, media and advertisement, how they are interlinked. Media and money. To run media, we need money. How it is important, soon we will learn. Media and democracy. Is media suitable for our democracy? What are their role in our democracy? Is media helpful to make equality in the society? We will discuss. Impact of media on society as well as on us. Setting agenda. What are the different agendas of media and local media? So everywhere we can see that media and its connection with another objects. In this chapter we will learn these things. So here are some questions which you have to solve after watching this video. First question, what comes in your mind when you first hear the word media? Number 2, how do media become mass media? How do you use media in your daily life? What are the different modes of media used in your house? And how do media help us? So these are the questions. Quickly you solve and send me. So thank you students. Have a very nice day ahead. Bye bye.